Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Game Diaz Atlas for Series case. So friend, Game Diaz has introduced the Atlas for Series PC case designed to meet the diversified need of gamers and PC enthusiasts. And the Atlas for Series bring gaming art in motion to life with dual side windows showcasing the beauty of internal components and each model, the Atlas P1, Atlas M1, and Atlas S1 reflect our commitment to creating an impressive entertainment where gamers and of all levels can perform at their best. And all model in Atlas first series comes with front and side tempered glass panel ensuring seamless visual and clear view of your compartment, and they are equipped with a digital display for real-time system monitoring including CPU, GPU and ambient temperature and adjustable via JUST card software and monitor mode switch. Each case include 120 ARGB fan with M1 and P1 featuring PWM functionality and pre-installed PWM ARGB fan hub for optimized airflow and lighting and connectivity in comprehensive with USB 3.0 fan LED control, monitor mode switch and indicated audio jack. And the M1 and P1 model also feature a USB 3.0 generation 2 Type-C port for high-speed data transfer, and the Atlas P1 is a flagship model offering advanced feature and support for high-performance build. It recommended up to 420 radiator at the side and top with a space of 455 VGA card in both horizontal and vertical compartments. So friend, it supports 360 and 280 radiator at the top and 240 radiator at the side, and it also features a simple clasp mechanism for quick hardware access in the Atlas M1, including three 120 PWM ARGB fans and PWM ARGB fan hub delivering exceptional lighting and fine-tuned airflow. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.